I'm going to make a demonstration of this or the steps, brush and scuff. And you might wonder, is it just two different names for the same step, or are brush and scuff actually two separate different steps? And it's not crystal clear, but in my opinion, there's a small difference in the amount of force that you use. The scuff is more forceful, more power than brush. Brush is smoother, softer. Yeah. Okay, so just going to show you what you're actually going to do. I'm standing on my left. You're going to brush my foot. It's actually in the name. You brush. Yeah, brush name. Brush my foot against the floor. Yeah. So I'm just making a sort of brushing motion. Brush. When you do a brush, it's softer, as I said, and it's sort of a smooth transition to the next step. If it's a rock step or something, you brush and go out in a rock step or whatever. But it's a smooth transition to the next step. If you are doing a scuff, in my opinion, as I said, it's a harder, and you may want to use your heel as well to sort of hit the floor to make more sound. If you have boots, for instance, yeah. So when you're doing a scuff, it's a harder, more power, and you can hear it. And I'm doing the sound effects as well. Boom. Okay, but brush is softer, and scuff is harder, in my opinion. I'm going to do that towards the camera as well. So it's a brush and just after the rock or whatever. Scuff is harder. Boom. Yeah. So that's the difference. I can do it with my left foot as well, just if you're wondering. So it's a brush and scuff. Yeah. So that's a brush and a scuff. Good luck.